Hey, sorry about that. What's going on, guys? It's me. I'm back, and today we're doing a weapon review with this category 2 storm mission, probably level 100, and we're doing the typewriter. Here are the resources to craft it, and these are the perks that I have on it. I have a crit build plus damage and mag size and physical element. I can't wait until I do a review for the Nocturno, because as you can see, the DPS does a lot more damage than any of these other weapons, especially the Siegebreaker. There's like 10,000 more DPS. And let's go. Let's go craft this. Commander. Alright. So this is what it looks like. Here, let's go over here. And there's a fire rate on it. Doing pretty nice. Just okay. 27,000 damage, not bad. 1,000. I would probably save more fire rate instead of mag size for this gun, because $39,000 for a good of damage. Nice. Let's try it. Seems pretty good. Let's go. Oh, this Husky has. What is the max size for this? Because I upgraded it. 75. Yeah, I would definitely do fire rate. So it would be like 50 max size with a good clip. A good fire rate on it. This gun is it's a decently fast firing weapon that does pretty good damage. I would probably stay with physical for this weapon. I don't really necessarily love this weapon, but the only reason is that because it doesn't have good fire rate, but once I do get fire rate, I would definitely enjoy this weapon a lot more. 99,000. Holy. This gun has like a truck on blue perks. 100,000 did I just see? It's a really good damage weapon. I mean, it doesn't have god roll perks, but never mind about me not liking this weapon because of the fire. I love this weapon. Holy. Good fire rate, good damage. I mean, yeah, fire rate could even do more fire and it'll be better fire rate, but you have to reload more. Oh, I'm dead. Nope. Thank you for the adrenaline. Oh, now I need adrenaline again. Holy. I want to see the range on this weapon. No! Guys, Dam Buster. Can you? Thank you. I think this weapon is honestly a very good. I mean, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give this weapon about like a good 6 or 7 out of 10. It hits good, and the damage is good, and everything's good about it except really for me the fire rate and the crit damage. It doesn't crit that hard.
Stock up.
Now, I would recommend probably not getting an element on this because if you want to, you can, but I would rather prefer just staying physical because this is like a really good non-physical. Oh, the range is bad though. What's the range on this? The range 3584. And the range on this is 3584, and the range on the Nocturna is 496. So it's the better range. Just a slight difference, but noticeable enough. What is if I had better perks on this, I would definitely like if I had fire rate on this and all my perks god, like my crit build god, then I'll probably rate this weapon a good maybe 8, 9.5. I just have to see. Oh guys, I hope you're proud of me. I got more efficient, and I had 200 and 201 efficient when I corrected this. The reason why I have 172 is because of that efficient that I just got like over there. But I love this weapon. It's honestly good, nice and stuff. It's good to use at a closer range. The closer you are, the better, because it doesn't have that good of range. So you kind of want to like spray it in the face. I want to see what a range of one of my snipers is, like the Death Stalker, for example. And spec, yeah, 5120. This weapon is definitely a decent, yeah, if I would go on a limb and say this is a pretty good weapon. If I go on a higher limb, which I probably would, a great weapon. It's a great weapon. Does good damage, stuff, but yeah. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down in the comments what you want me to do next, and also leave a comment in the comments what you would rate the Typewriter on a scale of 1 to 10. And yeah, see you tomorrow with another video. Peace.